Hi, welcome to my channel Coding Skills. In this video, I am going to tell you what are max and min numbers along with some examples. I will also show you how we can implement the same in Java programming. A small request from my side is please watch the video till the end so that you will not miss anything. So let's get into the details. What are max and min numbers? If you perform scanning of all the elements in an array by looping over from the beginning to the end of array index, then we can find the maximum and minimum elements within an array by doing the required additional checks. So we can achieve this functionality by using any of the following approaches. So using a regular approach and by using Java 8 features. If you look at the example which I mentioned here, if the input is 1 to 10 numbers, minimum is 1 and maximum is 10. Creating new Java class and naming the file accordingly. Also choosing public static void main method. Removing to-do statement which was auto generated. Printing a message on the console requesting the user to enter size of the array. Importing a scanner object from util package in order to read some data from the keyboard. Creating a scanner object and mapping it to input stream. Scanner has a method to read a numeric value which is next int. Declaring a variable which is of type numeric and assigning the value. Once we have the value ready, so we are checking with a if condition. If the value is less than 0, we are printing a message on the console stating that size of the array cannot be negative. Else proceeding with a regular logic. Declaring a array and allocating the size based on the input value which is size of the array. Using a for loop int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, or we can also use size of the array variable and I plus plus. Printing a message on the console requesting the user to enter a number. So here I am formatting the message so that we can read number 1, number 2 accordingly for the better readability. So assigning the input value into the array with the corresponding index. So a of I equal to sc dot nextInt. So this for loop is going to help us in reading the values into the array. Creating a static method which is of type void. Find max and min, and we are going to pass the array which we have read from the keyboard. This is the first approach. Right now we are looking into it. Declaring the required variables. So max number, and defaulting with 0. The same way min number defaulting with 0. Both are of type integer. Starting a for loop int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus. So first if condition we are using, if I equal to 0 means if it is the first element, we are populating max number and min number with the first value of the array which is available at the 0th index. Else if a of I is greater than max number, then value of array a of I is going to be assigned into max number variable. Else if a of I is less than min number, then a of I will be assigned to min number variable. we are done with the for loop. So printing a message on the console. So we'll be printing the maximum value and the variable name is max number. In the same way we will also print the minimum value. Which is a min number variable. So we are done with the static function. So we are going to invoke the static function in the else block within the main method, and we will also pass the array which is variable a. We are almost done, so we will start running the program. So first we will test the negative scenario by entering a negative value. The size of the array cannot be negative. Entering 5, so this will take an input value of 5 values. So entering 5 different values. After entering 5th value, we should see that both minimum and maximum values. Executing again. So both minimum and maximum value as can be seen. So this compares both positive and negative values. Instead of creating a new Java class, I am using the existing Java class to demonstrate the second approach. First copying the existing method and pasting, and we'll make the required changes in the copied method. So commenting the existing approach, which is approach 1. So for loop I am removing completely. So importing a arrays class from which is from util package. So max number equal to arrays.stream. So we'll pass the array value which has a method max. On top of that we have get as int. So this is going to give us a max number. In the same way, min number equal to arrays.stream of array dot min of and get as int. So this method is going to give us the minimum value. So we could see that this is a Java 8 feature. Right now we are using it. So executing the program. So I'm trying to enter different values. So maximum min value as can be seen, both negative and positive. Executing again for the next iteration. So we can use any of these two approaches for the comparison. If you are having any questions related to this video, please drop me a comment so that I can respond to it. Also, if you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know so that I can plan for it in my upcoming videos. Please like the video. In case if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you so much once again and see you in the next video.